Track 24. A. Electric guitar. B. Violin. C. Keyboard. D. Drums. E. Piano. F. Saxophone. Track 25. 1. 2. 3. 4.
You lay a soft hand on my heart and heart, always keeping me from falling apart. You are the strength that I rely on, oh yeah. If I fall, I know that you would be right.
5. 6.
The day we met as childhood friends, we had a friendship that would never end. You always knew what to say. You picked me up and you made my day. Suddenly it hit me.
7.
Raise up and go. Let me raise my tempo and know I be on that. Breaking bad, nah, don't fall back. I be dreaming. What's my place and what's my meaning? When's my time and show me reason? In my prime, no way I'm peaking. Nah, I've been working on my life. Hear my story, feel my fight. Man, I'm moving up the steeper heights. Took this leap in a sacrifice. Time away from having fun.
8.
I still can feel your eyes held tight around my slender waist.
Track 26.
That was fantastic. I really loved it. It's her new album, right?
Yes, it is. And I think it's her best album. What other types of music do you like?
Well, I love listening to rap and jazz. We often listen to jazz at home. My parents and my older brother like it.
Really? Jazz is okay, but it's not my favourite type of music. I like rock and hip-hop best. I don't like listening to opera, but my parents love it. They listen to it all the time.
Well, I think a lot of older people like classical music, but it's not so popular with young people.
Some like it. My sister plays the violin in an orchestra and in a band, so she likes playing classical music and rock.
Oh, I'd love to see her play. Tell me when she's got her next concert.
OK, we can go together.
Great. Can you play the violin?
No, I hate playing the violin. I tried, but it's so difficult.
So what's your favourite instrument then?
Well, I really love playing the electric guitar. It's a great instrument. I like playing the keyboard as well. What about you?
My favourite instrument is the saxophone. I love playing the saxophone. I quite like playing the piano too.
What about the drums?
No way. I hate listening to the drums. They're too loud. And I certainly don't want to learn to play them.
I agree. So it's your turn to choose an album. Which one do you want to play?
How about this?
Track 27. A,
I hate playing the violin.
B,
I don't like listening to opera.
C,
She likes playing classical music.
D,
I love listening to rap.
Track 28.
Starting in the music business. Do you want to play in a band or become a famous singer or songwriter? Read on to find out how.
1,
Pete,
I'm a singer-songwriter. I give concerts at a local club. Everyone likes listening to my music and wants to buy a CD. What can I do next?
B,
you already write and perform your own songs. Great! Next step. Record an album using computer software and post it online. You don't need a record deal. College courses are a really useful way to learn how to do this and can give you other ideas too. Ask at your school.
2,
Shona,
Hi, I play in a band with some friends from school. The others aren't serious about music, but I am. Help! Do I stay with the band or find other musicians to play with?
C,
music is an important part of your life. Stay with your friends for the moment, but think about going to a music school. These schools teach music and everything you need to know about becoming a musician. Talk to your parents about it. Good luck.
3,
Spark,
I'm 15 and a rapper. I record my songs and put them online. I get lots of hits, but I live in the countryside and there are no gigs here. It's too far for me to travel to the city. What can I do to become famous?
A,
why not make a music video too? Then it doesn't matter where you live. Ask your parents or someone from school if it's okay and they can show you how to do it. Then you can upload the video to a social network like YouTube or Instagram. That's how Shawn Mendes became famous.
Track 29. 1,
school@musicpopcloud.com.
2,
0451 256 337.
3,
JOANNA.
Track 30.
Hi, Shona. Great to hear from you.
Hi, Emma. So, tell me about your first week at the music school.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's fantastic. It's so different from our old school. We have lessons in the mornings, but they're all about music. And then in the afternoon, we have school lessons like maths.
What do you do in the morning lessons? Do you learn to play different instruments?
Yes, you can choose 2 instruments and then you learn them for the first year. I'm not sure what to choose. I love playing the electric guitar, so maybe the guitar and the keyboard.
Yes, and then you can play your songs and sing them too.
And record an album.
Do you only do music in the mornings?
No, we learn about the history of music too, but that starts next week. I can tell you about that next Friday.
Lucky you. I want to be at music school, but my mum and dad can't pay for me.
This music school is free.
Really? What's the name of the school?
It's called the Clark School. That's C-L-A-R-K-E.
Right. C-L-A-R-K-E.
You play in a band, Shona. You can come here too. Ask your parents to phone the school.
Wow! OK, what's the phone number?
01572 399 687.
01572 399 687. OK, got that. And what's the name of the head of the school?
The head's name is Miss Phillips. That's P-H-I-L-L-I-P-S.
P-H-I-L-L-I-P-S. OK, great. My parents can phone tomorrow.
Oh, and here's the email. They can email as well. It's info@clark4music.com.
info@clark4music.com. OK, thanks, Emma.
Good luck!